Hi guys, I'm Sophia and I'm here to share with you my experience with Trident Smiles Dental. So, this year we moved from San Diego to Silicon Valley. After we got settled in, the next task at hand was to find a great family dentistry. I'm a firm believer in having good oral hygiene, and I know it can affect your mental and overall health. I wanted to find a dentist that my kids would not be afraid to go to. Kids get especially anxious when going to the dentist as the doctors examine their mouth with metal equipment. So I scanned through a bunch of different dental offices and I even called a few of them to see how good they were. But it wasn't until Trident Smiles Dental where I truly got my satisfaction, because they were amazing, and I'm gonna tell you why. So, they were amazing because the staff was really friendly, especially Jasmine. She made my kids feel comfortable in the waiting room, and she was also just great with my kids. The entire family got a dental checkup. Dr. Raha is the lead dentist, and she was also amazing. She was kind and friendly, and she made my kids feel comfortable during the actual dental checkup. It was great because she went out of her way to talk to me about my kids and my family, and she also gave me some great tips about how to make my kids' dental health amazing and stay good. She stressed the important thing about creating a great routine. Now this is where it's important because the kids need to be able to remember to brush their teeth morning and before going to bed. In order to do this, the parents need to be fun and silly to create this new routine and with the intent of actually following it. And if that's done properly, the kids will not forget when they get older and they'll remember it because of the positive memory created with the routine. I totally recommend Trident Smiles Dental and Dr. Raha for all your dental needs.